Hello students. Up to the last video we have seen some word problems. Now today onwards we are going to start the next point, and from this video onwards I am going to start the next point from your lesson that is also very important for us. Look here. Solving equations having the variable on both sides. How to solve those equations? Those equations are having variable on their both sides. How to solve those equations? If the variable is given on one side, that type of example we have seen. But now we are going to face such a type of examples. Those examples are having variable on both sides. How to solve this? As usual only, but little different. What is that? I am going to show you. Listen here and try to understand. Solution. First of all, we will write given. What is given? You know that. I will write here first of all. Given. Okay. What is given? 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Solving equations having the variable on both sides is nothing but we have to find out the value of that variable which is given in the example. Which variable is given in the example? If you will observe carefully, then we will come to know that x variable is here. Then we have to find out the value of x variable only. Okay. How to find out the value? While finding the value of that respective variable, you try to first of all equate the variable on one side. Maybe that is whether LHS or RHS, doesn't matter. Are you getting what I am saying? Means what to do? We have to take those variable on one side and remaining whatever points are given, whatever numbers are given, those are on one side. Simply we will get the value of variable. Means for example, look here. Here is 2x minus 3 and here is x plus 2. Here which is the variable? X variable is there. And which is the coefficient? 2. Means here 2x is the connected. Means 2x is, we can say, total variable. Here look here, x is the variable. Means when we are going to find out the value of x, means that variable, that time this x or this x we have to transfer at one side. Suppose we have decided to transfer this x to this side, and this remaining terms means remaining numbers we have to transfer to the remaining side, and we have to find out the value of that respective variable. Are you getting? Okay. Then look here, therefore 2x, while finding the variable I am going to transfer this x to x. Now it is plus, it will convert into minus. This you transfer, plus 2 is here, minus 3 will convert into plus 3. Therefore 2x minus x, 2 में से 1 गया, x is equal to 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Are you getting? This is the answer. इतना simple है ये. Got idea? Means we have to equate the variables. We have to equate the variables on one side, and remaining constant numbers are there. Those we have to transfer to the another side. We will get the answer. That is the solving of the equations having the variable on both sides. This is first example. One again example I will show you here. Little different type of example is there. Solution and given. What is given? See. 5x plus 7 divided by 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2x minus 14. Here also variable terms are there. Okay, this x is the variable, this is coefficient, this is one term. 3 divided by 2 is the coefficient and x means this is one term. Variable terms we have to take at one side, and remaining those numbers are there, we have to transfer to the another side. Okay, look here, I am going to start. Transfer this 3 divided by 2x to the LHS. 5, this is plus, it will convert into minus. 3 divided by 2x is equal to minus 14 as it is. This 7 by 2 is now positive, it will convert into negative. 7 divided by 2. Okay. We want to find out here x. For that purpose, look here. You are having here many options. What we can do? We can do here cross multiplication, then we can divide. Here also we can do cross multiplication, we can divide. Again one point I am showing over here that I haven't told you before that. What is that? Look here. If like that denominators are there and denominators are more, means denominator is same. Here is 2, here is 2. Suppose again 1 is there. And if denominators are more and we want to eliminate those all denominators, then for that purpose one simple step is there again. Instead of cross multiplication, what we have to do? We have to multiply both sides by that denominator only. By the denominator only means what? Here 2 is the denominator, here also 2 is the denominator. We have to multiply both sides of the equation by 2. then these two will get cancelled and remaining we will get answer. Are you getting? Then what we will do? Look here, multiply both side by 2. We get, multiply both side by 2. 2 in bracket 5x minus 3 divided by 2x is equal to 2 in bracket minus 14 minus 7 divided by 2. Okay, multiply these to this. 2 into 5x, 2 into 5 10x, plus into minus, minus 2 into 3 divided by 2 into x is equal to plus into minus, minus 2 into 14 28, plus into minus, minus 2 into 7 divided by 2. Got idea? Simply I multiplied both sides by 2. Now what will happen? Look here, 10x minus 2 will get cancelled. What will remain? 3x is equal to minus 28 minus 2 also here will get cancelled. What is? 7. Therefore 10x minus 3x 7x is equal to 28 minus 7. Same sign, addition. 28 minus 28 plus 7 same sign है तो addition करना है. 28 plus 7 35. Which sign is there? Minus. That's why minus. We are going to find out x here. So divide x. Okay. Divide x means we have to divide this coefficient to this RHS. Minus 35 divided by 7. Okay. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. Therefore, we will get here, therefore x is equal to minus 5. Understood? Got idea? देखो इधर क्या किया है मैंने, ये पहली बार दिखाया तुमको. बोथ साइड को ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करके भी हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, नहीं तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो फिर सॉल्व करो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नेक्स्ट वन अगेन एग्जांपल आई हैव टेकन. लुक हियर, दिस आल्सो आई विल शो यू. Solution given. What is given? 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 divided by 5. Look here. Here also do one. You can do one thing. You can, here denominator is what? 5. But here denominator is not there. Here denominator is not there. You can divide this equation by 5 also. You will get no problem at all. Otherwise you can solve in this way also. देखो इधर कैसे. 5m, when you are transferring, when you are taking variable at one side, that time you must remember that what you always try to take. I am saying try to take, it is not compulsory, remember. Okay, suppose you are going to take this plus 5 to this side, then it will convert into minus, we will get here minus answer. Correct, no problem at all. But you try to take, if it is possible, then you try to take smaller number towards the greater number. These smaller numbers we have to take towards the greater number. If it is not possible, now here not possible, because here minus 8 upon 5 is there. Possible, it is possible, no problem at all. We can transfer this minus 8 upon 5 to this side and this to that side. That is also correct. Okay. Then if it is not possible, then you keep it as it is. If you are facing little confusion over there, you should not do like that. Okay. Means look here, I am going to transfer this 5m to the LHS also, and I can solve this example. Otherwise I can do one thing, minus 8 upon 5 I will transfer to this side, and this number, this 3m I can transfer to this side also. Then I will, what I will get, look, 3m. Okay, I will transfer this. What I will do, I will transfer this minus 5m minus 8 upon 5. ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. Otherwise what I told, ये इधर ट्रांसफर करो, ये इधर ट्रांसफर करो, तभी चलता है. 3 minus 5, अपोजिट साइन मीन सब्ट्रैक्शन. 3 minus 5 हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता. तो क्या करेंगे, 5 minus 3 करेंगे, आएगा आंसर 2. विच इज द ग्रेटर नंबर? 5. नंबर उसका साइन क्या है? माइनस, तो -2. और कौन सा वेरिएबल है? m. गॉट आइडिया? minus 8 divided by 5. If like that situation is there, both side minus sign is there, then both side minus side will get eliminate. तो बचेगा क्या? 2m is equal to 8 divided by 5. I want to find out m. Okay, now I am going to transfer this 2 to RHS. Look here, I want to find out here value of m. That's why I am going to transfer this 2 to the RHS. means now here it is multiply, it will divide to that side, means m is equal to 8 divided by 5 into 2. इधर मल्टीप्लाई था, इधर जाके डिवाइड हो गया. Therefore m is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, तो 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. तो m की वैल्यू क्या मिल गई? 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. Understood? Here I have shown you 3 examples. Once again I will show you. Listen here. First example I have shown which point I have started today? Solving equations having the variable on both sides. In that first example, you remember that, once again I am repeating. When you are solving like that examples, those examples or those equations are having variable on their both sides, that time you first of all try to equate the variable terms at one side and remaining numbers at one side. Means what? Variable term means here 2x and x is having variable, we have taken at one side, and remaining numbers we have transferred to the another side, and we got here answer. Okay, then this second example we have seen. नोट्स के लिए भी ये देखो अच्छी तरह से, you have to write the notes, same thing. Then the second example I will show for notes purpose also, and I will repeat again. Look here, this is the given example. In this you can solve this example by many ways, I told you before that. Okay, but first important thing you remember, we have to equate coefficient terms on one side and remaining numbers on one side. Okay, then here I have shown you one different method, that is little I think some of you well known about it. Multiply both side by 2. Why we have multiplied by 2? Because here denominator is what? 2. Remember, if here denominator is 2, here denominator is 3, then you should not multiply both side by 2 or 3. 2 और 3 से भी मल्टीप्लाई नहीं हो सकता, तो उसका मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके तुम कर सकते हो, लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा कन्फ्यूजन होगा तुम्हारे लिए. इसलिए अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो यही स्टेप फॉलो करनी है, ये स्टेप फॉलो करनी है. अगर डिनोमिनेटर सेम नहीं है तो हमारा क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन का मेथड एज इट इज फॉलो करो. ओके, समझ में आ रहा है? नहीं तो एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करके भी तुम निकाल सकते हो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हियर डिनोमिनेटर्स वेर सेम, दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट वी हैव डिड, वी हैव मल्टीप्लाई बोथ साइड बाय 2, एंड देन आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी गॉट लाइक दैट सिचुएशन. Okay, once again I am showing for notes, and 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, and we got here answer x is equal to -5. Next, look this example, third example. In that I told you can transfer this 3m to this side and 8 by 5 to this side, that is also correct. Here I have shown you, I have transferred these 5m to the LHS, and this minus 8 upon 5 I kept as it is. Then I solved 5 minus 3, 2, greater number is 5, that's why minus 2m is equal to minus 8 upon 5 as it is. Here both side minus sign is there, that's why we have cancelled. When we have to cancel, that is also important. Suppose here plus 5 ऐसा नंबर कुछ है, प्लस अभी कुछ नंबर है, तो वो ये माइनस साइन कैंसिल नहीं होता. अगर सिंगल टर्म्स दोनों साइड को है तभी कैंसिल होता है. ओके, तो हमें ये मिला 2 is multiplied to this side, I have taken to that side, means this is divided, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, means m is equal to, I got here 4 upon 5. Okay, I hope so you got idea about it. Remaining examples we will continue in the next lecture, in the next video. You try to solve examples regarding to this point. I have given in the exercise also. Okay, I have given exercise that photo also, that photo you see and try to solve examples regarding to that. This is very important point. Remaining examples and remaining points we will continue in the next video. Before that you try to make perfect it. Okay, thank you.